Got it?
Yeah.
You have to guess.
No, you have to tell me what I got. I don't know what I got.
No. No. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I got it to Disneyland. Oh my gosh. 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 Oh my gosh.
Hold it up, honey.
Your magical journey awaits.
Just show me the envelope. Show me the envelope. Show the outside of the envelope so we can see that. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we should send this to Ellen. I'm freaking out. Oh my goodness. I saw it because everybody kept on talking about Disneyland. I saw that Disneyland thing. I was like, what is going on? Oh my gosh.
That's for your luggage.
Oh, it's cars. That's awesome.
You want to know when?
Yes. What does it say?
When you're 21.
When? No, seriously, when are you going?
Memorial Day.
So that's soon, right?
Yeah.
For
Guess
for
what
how long?
hotel?
What?
Guess what
I
hotel?
don't know. What hotel?
What hotel would you stay at Disneyland?
Disneyland?
Yeah.
What else?
Send a message to Aunt Mary. Say, Aunt Mary, we're coming.
Aunt Mary, we're coming for you.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Wait, Daddy did this?
Yes.
Mommy and Daddy, yeah.
Yay! Thank you, guys. How long are we going for?
4 days. And guess who else is coming?
What's coming?
Hannah and Bess.
Really?
Everybody.
Yeah,
Awesome.
everybody's coming. I love you, honey.
I can't wait for all the rides. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. I love you too.
You got a happy Mother's Day too. Yeah.
Kids Day.
Yeah.